Hello everyone, so this is the quick update on the Lisianthus seed that I planted last week. So in the previous video, I show you how I harvest the seed and plant them in this cell pack, and this is how they look like today. So it's only took about 3 days for them to sprout, and they sprout like crazy. As you can see, if I can show you, I really hope the camera can show you how they look like, but they only take 3 days and they grow without any trouble. And then the one on the left here, this is the seed from Johnny's seed. They sprout as well. It take a little bit slower time than the seed that we collect from the garden. That took about 5 days, and some of the seed are still trying to break free, as you can see here. And some of them, like this one here, I don't think this one will ever get free. But yeah, this one took a little bit slower time than the seed that we collect from the garden. So that's the update I want to show to you. Now that's the good thing about collecting seed from the garden. They sprout easily because they're still fresh and having no trouble, no restriction like the pelleted seed. But now the trouble is, it's gonna be hard for me to separate them. But that's my choice, because I should have planned properly. But I hope I show you the garden seed update that I promise you. So I hope this is gonna be beneficial for your garden need. If you have Lisianthus seed this year, try to save it and you'll be surprised with the result. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.